Ag Economy 3.0. A ohe o kahinana o luna o kapali, iho mai a lalo nei, ike au nui, ke au iki. He alo a he alo. The top of the cliff isn't the place to look at us. Come down here and learn from the big and little current, face to face. Learn the details, also an invitation to discuss something. Walk the loop. The connectors between these loops flow in either direction. Better policies increase capital flow and the viability of food system businesses and programs. More capital flow of all types creates viability for food system organizations. Capital flow also propels and compels policies for resilience due to increased awareness and capacity within our communities. If food system businesses and programs are more viable, there is capital flowing and a policy driver for local resilience.